Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm finally going to be installing some coilovers on my car. And I just did my springs not too long ago, but I always said that I wanted coils. My springs were just like kind of like a temporary, for the time being type of thing. So these coils actually used to be my friends and they gave them to me for the low. So I'm just gonna be putting them on. These ones are gonna be kind of temporary too until I buy new ones. And yeah, but the reason why I want to change them is because I have new wheels. They're back there, and I just think, you know, if I'm getting new wheels, put on some coils at least first, you know what I mean? So here are the coils. I just have them on my floor right now. So these are the Tein Street Basis Z. They're like the basic entry-level coils that Tein has. So I'm just gonna see how these work out and how they look. I don't know if this is gonna be a very detailed video because I already have my lowering springs installed and it's kind of the same thing. The only thing that's gonna be different is the spring compressors, basically. So today, hopefully it should all go smooth because all I have to do is take out the whole strut and then just put these coilovers in. So I'm actually gonna be showing my wheels in the next video. So if you want to see what kind of wheels I got, make sure to watch my next video that I'm probably gonna post after this. It's probably gonna be from the same day, so if you see me wearing the same thing, that is why. Okay, let's get started. This is what it's looking like before, because I'm not gonna max them out. This one's still pretty high up. So I already went in to loosen these two 19mm bolts with, I first did it with the regular wrench and a breaker bar because the impact gun wasn't working. So I'm just gonna keep doing these, and then I'm gonna remove the sway bar end link with a 17mm socket. I don't know if it's a little too late to put on these gloves. My hands are freaking dirty, but we're just gonna put these on. Hopefully they'll save my nails. But if not, it's fine because I make my own nails. I'm gonna plug myself real quick, go buy some nails for yourself or for someone that you know that likes nails. Now I'm gonna take a 17mm to do the end link. And there we go. So now I took off this 12mm nut that is holding the brake line. I took my glove off again. Took off these little clips that I'm gonna try not to freaking mess up. I might have to take off my gloves for this, but yeah, so I'm just gonna take those off. I already started taking out the 3 12mm nuts out of the top hat, so I'm just gonna continue to do that. Then this is gonna drop after I take these off, so I'm gonna try and be careful. The end link is still on there. And there we go. And this is where I say it's gonna be way easier than the springs, because at this point I would have to put on the spring compressors to take off the springs and put the new springs on, and that's what took me a really long time when I did this install. So now it's more just like a plug and play type of thing. The right one has an R right there. So now we're gonna try and put this on. Look at me. Got Tein springs, now Tein coilovers. I'm freaking repping. This normally you use your stock top hat, so I don't even have to take mine off because my friend left his on. So it literally is plug and play. This is hot. Don't leave it in the sun. Holy crap, holy crap. Holy crap, holy crap. I got one nut in. Let me catch her with. I am not strong at all, so that was heavy for me. And I'm out of breath. Hold it with my knee. Just lightly. So now we got that. so I finished this side. I just put it back down. It has been a while. I took a break because it's really hot and I think it just got hotter outside. But I'm gonna do the other side now. But I'm not gonna record this side because that's what took me a long time too, was trying to record everything. Even though I'm just kind of vlogging, so maybe I'll just give updates along the way. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get started on this. So this is the new fitment with the coils. Could barely, but it's still like 2 fingers. Kind of. This is the rear. This one definitely sits lower than before.
Going. Keep coming. Keep coming. On my Harry Potter. Full send or no send?
Log your setup.
No. It's the other way. Or, oh, it goes in this way. Oh my god, he almost ran over that pole. You see that? The cops are here. Zoom into the cops are here. Thank you, Alex. It's all your Everyone's running. That fool's got a fucking. He already has 3 tickets. He's so fucking playing around. He's out of here, homie. Fuck the exits. Hey, I just wanted some groceries. Is that a Karen? What's good, Karen? Practice makes perfect.
This is the best.
Whoa! Part 2.
Here we go again.
It's a V8.
They made friends with the security guard. They're stalling so that we can take pictures.